In every one of my trucks, we've always ran a Lincoln 566. It used to be a 600 SD or HD, but this unit here, it's an all-in-one unit, hydraulic pack, air compressor, welder, and generator, all in one. What that means to be an all-in-one unit is anything that I have to do that has to do with working, my crane, welding, air, comes right from this unit. It means reliability because I'm not running a 505 horsepower motor to be able to run a PTO pump, so I'm not getting a bunch of soot in my DPF filter. So it's going to extend the life of that DPF filter. So if you're looking at big trucks or if you build big trucks, this is a great addition. My badass reels here, I got 120 foot of lead on each side. And of course we got matching orange cables. Something new and exciting that I did on this truck was I put steps that they actually extend out, and then you can push them back in. It makes it that much easier for me to be able to jump up here, fill up the welder, adjust the welder, do what I need to do. So we did it on every single compartment. That way the top drawers, I'm not super tall, so I'm able to get up there and look and see what I got in the boxes. We got our drawer systems in here. These are the CTech tool drawers. I've always been a big fan of CTech. They make a great drawer. One, that's durable, but two, that's easy to get into. If you look at that, it's real simple. You come over here, you open that, you pull that little lip forward, and it unlocks the drawer. You're able to open it up. When you're done, you throw it back in, push it in, automatically locks. You don't have to worry about that drawer opening up when you're going down the road. I've put these drawers to the test over the years. I've had them in every one of my trucks and never had an issue with them. I've got my Taylor pump and lift lube skid back here. It's got 3 products. It's got engine oil, hydraulic oil, and then it's also got grease, but then it has an oil evac system. So if I go to a piece of equipment, I can suck all the oil out of it and be able to fill it up with new oil. So it's a really handy unit. Taylor pump and lift, great family, great guys, beautiful product. It probably looks a little weird. I have a second welder back here, but that's actually there for a reason. In the front, I have my big welder, and typically when I'm on the road, I'm running my plasma table. So when I'm running my plasma table, I'm kind of limited to what I can do with that machine. So by having a second machine, I can have a second arc. So if I want to keep on welding and building while my plasma table's cutting, that's what that's for, so I can keep on running. If you look at the truck, there's a lot of boxes here, and every one of these boxes has a drawer unit. I'm terrible at organization. So by having a good drawer system in it, it makes it really nice, for me to be able to organize and keep things clean and know where everything is. On this box here, I got a big bolt bin. Nothing worse than having to go to town to get a $3 bolt. Well, there it is. There's Mack Daddy. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of Mack Daddy. We enjoyed building it. I can't wait to get it out there and work it. So we'll see you guys soon.